Hey, what's going everybody? I hope you are all fine. So today I'm just gonna show you a smart home automation. I'm just gonna use some fuse connection and also a device which is called Sonoff, and it is amazing. And we are going to turn on electric heater with 4 ways. So the first way is by using voice control via smart home. You can use either Android or iOS. Okay, right now is the first way of turning on the electric heater with voice control via Siri.
Hey Siri, heater on.
All right. Right now, when I arrive at the home, you will see that the electric heater is on. Okay, guys. Right now we arrive at home. As you can see, the electric heater is on. I'm just gonna close it from the green switch in order to open it with 4 ways right now. So just watch the 4 ways. Let's see the first way by pushing the red button, and after a limiting time that I put it's gonna close automatically. Or I can push again the green button and it's gonna close. Alright, let's see the classic way with the fuse right now. This is the old way. Okay, let's see it right now with the other way. The third way is by pushing the button from the application. Let's see it. And finally, let's see it by voice control. Right now I'm just gonna use Siri from iOS in order to turn the electric heater on. Let's see it.
Hey Siri, heater on.
Okay, that was, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to push the like and also subscribes, and for sure we are gonna make much more videos. Have a nice day, guys.